Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by committing out loud. Say, I will cut my phone use. Make a measurable target and list triggers so you know what to change. Then take one immediate action. Turn on app limits or install a focus tool and set a 30% reduction target. Once done, place your phone in a visible but non-handy spot for 1-hour blocks. This primes habit change and gives a clear first success that proves the plan works and motivates you to continue. You now shift attention to replacement habits so cravings have an outlet. Create 3 fixed phone-free windows: morning, lunch, evening, and plan 10 to 20-minute alternatives like walking, reading, or a hobby. Make the phone harder to use. Disable non-essential notifications, enable grayscale, move tempting apps off your home screen. Once done, reward each completed window with a small treat or mark on a calendar. This links pleasure to the new habit and reduces the urge to return to old. You finish by creating sustainers and a clear fix for setbacks. Schedule a weekly review to log screen hours, wins, and persistent triggers so you can adjust limits. If you relapse, don't shame yourself. Shorten the next goal to half the previous target for 3 days and rebuild momentum. Make accountability real. Tell one friend or join a small group and report progress. This combination of review, scaled fixes, and social support locks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.